Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to download and install the latest version of the Xumo Play app to your FireStick device. This is going to be a full guide video, so I will recommend you watch right up to the end. And if you find this video educative, please let us know by you liking, sharing, or subscribing if you can. So that's it, let's kick started. So in this video, as I said, I will show you the best way to install the latest version or the updated version of the Xumo Play app to your Fire Stick. What I mean by this is that if you're watching this video 6 months, 3 months, 1 year from the time I made this video, then if you follow this method, you will be able to install the updated version of the Xumo Play app to your Fire Stick application, especially if you are not in a country that the application is available in. So here's my Fire Stick device, as you can see clearly on my screen. And the very first thing we'll need to do on this device is to make sure that it installs applications from unknown sources. By default, FireStick does not allow you to install applications from unknown sources, but you need to turn that option on. So what you do to turn it on is that you go over to your settings. So I go over to my FireStick settings and I come down to this over here and I launch it. So in this settings, there is an option that says developer options. If you already have this turned on, then you're already a step ahead. But if you don't, come back to the about, click on it, and on the name of your FireStick, click OK 3 times. There is a pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer. Once you see the option, return, and you're going to see the developer option has appeared, and it is here if it wasn't there before. So click on it, and on the second option, that is the one we are interested in. So this option says install application apps from unknown sources. So once this option is turned on, then your Fire Stick will be able to install applications from unknown sources. So please make sure that yours is turned on. If it is not turned on, then your Fire TV will not allow you to install applications from any unknown source or from any source that is not the Fire Stick App Store. So once that is done, then you can return home, or you can close the settings and go back home. The next thing we're going to do, the next step, remember I said this is a full guide, so I'm showing you every single step. I'm showing you everything step by step. If you already know how to do a particular step, you can always skip it. But if not, please follow attentively as I show you everything. So the next step is to install the download application. So click on the find button and the search box, type in D. I am going to give the suggestion to the download application. Here's it over here. So click on downloader, and here's the application we are looking for. So click on it once, it's going to bring you to the download page of the download application. Now what you've got to do here is just to click on download, and the application is going to download. If your internet speed is fast, that will be done fast, as you just saw mine go. So once it's done downloading, it's going to install. Once the application installs, you can then go ahead and install it on your Fire Stick device. So here is it. Click on allow if it's your first time, and okay. So the way downloader works is that you are going to type in a code over here, and then it installs an application or brings you to a site. If you're looking for downloader codes to use, you can check out my YouTube channel. You're going to see many downloader codes there that you can use for yourself. But for this video, we are going to be installing the Unlinked application. The reason why installing Unlinked application is because Unlinked is the app where we are going to use to get the latest version of the Xumo Play. So what you got to do over here, come here and type in this code. So the code is 10381. So that's the code we're interested in, 10381. As you type in this code, you go ahead. This is the code to install Unlinked, and I've used this code for close to 2 years and it always works. So I believe this is still also going to be working for the next years. So anyway, just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to start downloading straight away to your Fire Stick device. Once it's done downloading, then we'll be able to install to your Fire Stick. So just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, it has downloaded already. I didn't even notice when it downloaded. So click on install, and then the application is going to be installed to your FireStick. And what you go to do, please do not open the application straight away. Delete our files. You just go here and click delete. So once you click that, then you can close downloader, or you can just quickly return home by clicking the home button. Then you are back here. So now once you're here, go back to your app library. And in your app library, you are going to find the application that we just installed. So sorry, I mistakenly clicked something else. So go back to your app library, and here's the Unlinked application that we just installed. So that's what we're going to be using. So just click on it, and this is how it should look like on your Fire TV device for the very first time. So there are many other Unlinked libraries that you can use on your Fire Stick. As a matter of fact, if you go over to my YouTube channel and search for Unlinked codes, you are going to see over 7 different codes there that you can use. But in this video, I'll use just one. So go over to the keyboard here and type in this Fire Stick code. So please use capital letters, not like it is different, but I always prefer using capital letters. So make sure that it's capital letters, and make sure that you type exactly what you see me type. So it is FireStick, and this is one word. It is not two words, it is all one word. No spacing at the end, neither the spacing at the beginning. So this is one word, please. The reason I'm emphasizing is because people always make mistakes, and if you make a mistake, this wouldn't work. So once you go ahead, launching the code is going to bring to this library. I'm going to be blurring some of these details, but it's just for a second, and then I'll show you. Now, I just want to say this. If you are using this application out of a country like the US, it might not work for you, or it may not work for you because the application is not yet supported in your region. And that's why you will have to use a VPN to get the best out of this application. So anyway, you have to use a VPN. I'm emphasizing that because this application is not available everywhere. So anyway, go back to your free apps over here, and if you browse to the right, you're going to find the Xumo Play app. You can use any VPN that you want on the internet. I don't have anyone I'm currently promoting, but if you choose any VPN that works best, then you can use the application. So here's it here. Click on download, and then the application will start downloading. And if you look at the top of my screen, you'll see that it was lastly updated on the 28th of January. That's about 2 weeks ago. So if you're watching this video months from now, you're going to see a different date, and the application has been installed or has been updated. That's why I created this video. Anytime you're looking for the latest version, just come to this library and you'll see the latest version. So click on install here, and then you'll be prompted to install the application to your FireStick device. And once the application is installed, they can go ahead and close, unlink, or use the application. Remember to use a VPN. If not, you realize that the application will not work in your region. So you can close Unlinked, and then you're going to find the application has been newly installed to your FireStick, and it will be in your library. So head over to your library, and what did I click? Sorry about that. I mistakenly upon Spotify. So go back to your library. That's the application there, and they can go ahead and launch it. But as I said, if you don't have a VPN and you're not in the US, this will not work for you. So that's about this video. Subscribe for more.